Welcome to the video on Computer-Aided Drug Delivery Systems, CADDS, Unit Number 1, Part 4, for M.Pharm Pharmaceutics. This video is presented by Dr. Krishna Yadav.
This section focuses on the use of computers in pharmaceutical research and development. They provide a statistical foundation for inference, modeling, and regulatory decision-making in modern drug development. Chapter 1 discusses estimation. Estimation is a fundamental statistical process used to infer unknown population parameters from experimental data. In pharmaceutical research, true population values are often unknown and must be approximated from sample observations. The definition of estimation is the procedure of using sample data to determine the most plausible numerical value of an unknown population parameter. Key concepts include the parameter, the estimator, and the estimate. There are two main types of estimation. Point estimation provides a single numerical value but does not indicate uncertainty. Interval estimation provides a range of values, such as a confidence interval, within which the true parameter is likely to lie. A good estimator for pharmaceutical modeling and regulatory submissions should possess four key properties: unbiasedness, consistency, efficiency, and sufficiency. Section 1.4 covers key estimation methods in pharmaceutical research: method of moments, maximum likelihood estimation, MLE, and least squares. Each method utilizes a distinct mechanism and has specific applications. The method of moments matches sample values with theoretical values, primarily used in distribution fitting. MLE maximizes the likelihood of observing the data and is used in pharmacokinetics. Least squares minimizes the error and is used for calibration curves and stability studies. An example of estimation in pharmacokinetics involves fitting plasma concentration data to a one-compartment model. Nonlinear regression estimates unknown parameters like initial concentration, C0, and elimination rate constant K, providing point estimates. This figure illustrates how the point estimates of C0 and K are extracted from raw plasma concentration data using nonlinear regression, fitting the data to the one-compartment model equation.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.